download and start the Skedler, first of all you need to go to the solution article which we provided through the mail, and from there you can say first step will be like downloading the zip file. You just simply click the this link to download the download package. Since I have downloaded this already, I just straight away go to the downloaded path, and just I just need to extract it in preferred location. After extracting it, it will look like this. Once you extracted the zip file, just go to the Skedler folder. You can see the all the files. Just the next step will be like opening the PowerShell with the administrator role. Okay. So here in this terminal, you are going to I'm going to run the Skedler. Before that, you need to you can check the reporting YAML file. Like as a default, we will set it the our environment will be like offline. To set it as offline, you just need to uncomment and set it as to and save the file. Yeah. Then the default username and password will be like admin@skedler.com and the admin. You can also change it as according you. For this tutorial, we will for this video we will go like the default username and password. So there is a then you need to open the PowerShell and simply go to the path where the Skedler is extracted. After going to that extracted path, you just simply simply need to start this Skedler. To start this Skedler, we provide two options. Like you can start it manually, like running this command, or else if you want to start it as a service, you can also you can do this by copying the command. Just copy the command and paste it. Simply paste it here in the started folder. It will be started like that. Okay. So after it started, you can the service will be mounted. To see the service, you can simply go to the service manager. Then search for the Skedler service, whether it is running or not. You can simply, if you just want to stop the service, you can just simply click here, or you can start it like that. Yeah. So after that, after checking if the Skedler is running, you can just go to the browser and hit the URL which we gave here.